Good morning, 8th grade. Hope you all had a good weekend. Happy birthday, Cole, as of yesterday. Hope you had a good birthday. Let's talk about your daily assignment for today, IXL practice. So I have recommended 3 skills for you. I want you to try to complete those with 100% by Thursday. I'm going to go over each skill with you just to show you a couple of them, and then we will go from there. So let me share my screen here with you. Okay, so the first skill I want you to complete is complete a table for a linear function. Next one, write a linear function from a table. Last one, write a linear function's word problems. Let's start with complete a table for a linear function. Okay, so if we look at these are pretty simple. Vince uses 6 tomatoes to make each bowl of salad. Let S represent the number of bowls of salad and T represent the total number of tomatoes. So complete the table, and your function is T equals 6 times S. Right, so T, this is your T column, equals 6 times S. So 6 times S is going to equal T, so that's 6, right? 2 times 6 is going to equal T, which is 12. So we can see they each go up by 6 each time. Let's look at another one. Your function is y equals x plus 9. So y equals your x plus 9. So plus 9 would be 10. There you go. Let's look at one more. P equals 9 times F. So your P's equal your 9 times your F columns. So 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 3 is 27. There you go. Pretty simple, right? Let's look at your next skill that I want you to complete. 8th grade, module 5. Write a linear function from a table. So let's look at this one. So now you're going to pick or write the function based on the table. So which equation gives you the rule for this table? So let's look at this table. So you got, and here are your choices. So you got y equals x plus 93. So y equals x, this is your x plus 93. Yeah, that would work. Plus 93, plus 93, plus 93. So you know this one, right? Can you pick more than one? No. So you can only pick one. All right, you know right off the bat, it's that one. Let's look at another one. Okay, y equals something times x. Okay, so what is that something going to be? 2 times what gives you negative 24? 2 times negative 12, right? 3 times negative 12, 4 times negative 12, 5 times negative 12. So negative 12. Let's look at another one. So now you got y equals, y is 2, 3 is x. So this, look at this. This goes up 2, 3, 4, 5, and this goes up 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's try to find the linear equation that fits these. So let's just look at the first one. Y equals, so your y, does it equal 5 times x minus 1? So that would mean 2 equals 5 times 3, which is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. No, that doesn't work. Let's look at the next one. Y equals x minus 1. So 2 equals 3 minus 1. Yep, that works. 3 equals 4 minus 1. Yep, that works. So you know it's going to be that one. Let's look at another one. Y equals x plus something. So your y's right here equal your x's plus something. Okay. So your y on this one, 27, equals your x plus what? Well, 27, right? And you can tell all these are going to be plus 27, and they will give you these numbers over here. Last one. Y equals something times x. So your y's here equal something times these numbers. So 2 times what is going to give you negative 14? Well, negative 7. 3 times negative 7, 4 times negative 7, 5 times negative 7. Okay, pretty simple. Let's look at your last skill plan that I want you to complete. Write a linear function word problem. So the same exact thing, but now they're in word problems. So Kylie reads 8 books each month as part of her book club. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the month's X and the total books read Y. Write out your answer. So remember in class, it's always Y equals what? Remember that? Y equals mx plus b. So remember that. It's always going to be Y equals. Now she reads she reads 8 books each month. What is 8 going to represent in your equation? Remember, 8 is your slope, right? So 8 each month. So y equals 8x, and then plus or minus b, but there's no other number in here. So it's just that, right? You could put this plus 0, but you don't need to, right? So y equals 8x. Let's look at another one. Rudy can grow 3 plants with every seed packet. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of seed packets x and the total of plants y. So always y equals 3 plants with every seed packet. So 3 plants, right? So 3x. Okay, let's look at another one. Kristen runs 8 miles during each track practice. Write an equation. Okay, again, so it's y equals 8 each track, right? So 8x. See if we can get a harder one here. Danelle's retirement party costs $2 plus an additional $1 for each guest she invites. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the guest X and the cost Y. Okay, so this one's a little bit different. Still going to start with Y equals, okay? Her party costs $2 regardless. It's $2 no matter how many guests come, okay? Plus an additional $1 for each guest. So 1 for each guest. So that is your slope right there, just X, 1, right? And then it costs $2. So that is going to be your y-intercept. Okay. Let's see if we can do one more. A puppy named Dusty. That was actually the first name of my dog I've ever had, Dusty. Wonder where that dog's at now. A puppy named Dusty started out at 2 pounds and gained 1 every month. Okay, so y equals, he started at 2 pounds and gains 1 every month. So whenever it's every month, each day, that number is going to be your slope. So if you look up here, 1 pound every month, that's your slope. So x plus 2. Okay, there you go. So I want you to try to complete those 3 skills by Thursday at noon, and let's try to get 100% on them. If you need anything, please send me an email, and don't forget this Friday we're going to video conference. I'd love to see a big number of you guys there so we can talk and say hello with Mrs. Morton. Have a good day, and hope you have a good. I already said that. Hope you have a good day. Take care.